Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account is fully verified and Steam Guard is active. That prevents access issues. Next, open your purchase history to verify whether the license is recorded under your account because a missing entry is the cause. If you used a third-party key or gift, gather the receipt, order ID, or key code now. These prove ownership. Once done, make sure Steam is updated and restart the client. This refreshes license sync before you proceed to recovery steps. Now attempt recovery. First, use Add a Game right arrow activate a product on Steam if you have a key. That immediately attaches the license. If the title is DLC or family shared, verify which account actually owns the base game and disable family sharing to test. If keys fail or purchases don't appear, prepare a support ticket. Attach your order ID, payment method, and screenshots of the store page and receipts. This reduces back and forth and speeds up restoration by proving ownership. Finish by verifying local files for corrupt installs. This fixes errors that mimic license issues. Then, if necessary, reinstall Steam but move your Steam Apps folder to preserve downloads and avoid re-downloading. Once reinstalled, sign in and confirm licenses reappear. This often resolves client-side cache problems. If it still fails, escalate with Steam support and include transaction evidence and timestamps. That's the single most effective troubleshooting tip. Because human review can reconcile billing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.